Welcome. Today I will show you how to seamlessly connect these pattern pieces, aligning the corner markings for a perfect fit. And also in the PDF pattern that you're going to buy, you will see how your tile paper is going to be placed. For this particular one, is going to be placed in 4. The row is going to be 4, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to see these edges. Can you see these edges? That's what you're going to make your tile paper to match up with. So first of all, what you're going to do for this, you're going to leave it like this, and you come over to this one and you're going to trim it like so. And then you're going to align it to this place, making sure that this aligns to that, right? Can you see it? Can you see? When you align it, everything will align perfectly, and then you go ahead and use your sellotape to tape it down. You can decide to tape only the side that has your pattern pieces on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and finish off this row. As you can see, I've tiled up the second row. The same thing we did when we were joining this. This time around, we are going to cut off this place to align this to this place. So that corner must meet. Thereby, you're going to go ahead and trim off this place. You're trying to align these corners. Can you see? Align it. In some cases, it might be a star. This is how you're going to continue and you finish up your sewing pattern. This is how you're going to continue and you finish off the whole of your patterns. So now you're going to take note of this. This is very important. When you print you're going to print the first paper. When you print the first page, which is number 1, you're going to make sure you align this to check if this measures exactly. So you're going to use your tape and measure this. Measure it. It is written 1 by 1, so you're going to make sure you measure it to be sure that it measures exactly 1 by 1. And this side, you're going to make sure it measures exactly 2.5 as it's written here. If it doesn't measure up to that, know that your pattern is not correct. Make sure this measures exactly before you start printing all the papers. I'll see you guys in my next video.